So it's a highly job oriented course, and as a trainer I am also working in a software industry for the last 17 to 18 years. So this is my consulting or a tech consulting company. Let's start. So today we'll focus about the job problem. So the purpose of starting this training is like I have seen there is a lot of job problem in our country, not only in our country, but in the whole world. And those like people living in the remote areas and villages, they have lot of problem. They don't know what to learn, how to get the job. There is because of this there is a lot of career problem, money problem. Because of lack of money there is also social issues, and there are many other issues which is based on this thing. So once the job problem is resolved, so every other problem will be very quickly resolved. You are able to find a house, you are able to uh, do a good lifestyle, you are able to take a car, and everything you can do. So that is how I am out there to help you guys. Just I have very good course which is created like in the keeping in mind the job of the present world, what the skill is required in IT industry. So keeping in mind of that thing, I have created one course which will contain all the ingredients which is required to fill those gap which is required in the IT industry and get you to the uh, job in a good multinational company. So at present, the current education system, whatever we have in we have in our system, in those education system, they don't cover the skill which is required, the professional skill which is required by the companies. So I am here to fill those gap and to give you very advanced training course, which is highly job oriented, and after which you will easily get the job. So my course is like I have two courses. One is like combination of Oracle SQL and PL SQL, and another one is combination of SQL and Oracle Business Intelligence. These all these two courses are very highly required in the market. There is a huge opening. If let me show you that what I have searched that in the Google, and uh, I got the huge opening through like some job portals. So now this is why we should learn Oracle, because Oracle is a very robust database. It has huge requirement globally, and the companies which I mean 80% of the IT companies, they are using Oracle as a database. So it has a huge requirement and huge future. And the most important thing is you can do good in Oracle Cloud, you can do good in business intelligence and data analysis and all that. And the important thing is that Oracle will not change like the other front end technologies. They used to change very frequently, like Java, .NET and all. There's lot of changes in those things. So but Oracle will remain same, only some features will change. So this is like I searched 2 days ago, like how many jobs are there in for Oracle SQL, one of the part of a job which I am offering. So it says that around 10,389 jobs only in Oracle PL SQL only in Bangalore, and there are 26,762 Oracle SQL jobs in whole all over the India through only one portal. So Naukri.com. There are many other portals like Times.com. There are Monster.com, and many other sites are there. And apart from that, there are some sites on the Facebook which the guys will post and the company will post their job on that. And this is the openings for OBIE job. Oracle Business Intelligence job. So there are two 2,600 OBI jobs in Bangalore and 7,374 OBI jobs in all over India through one portal only. There may be other jobs with the other portal like timesjob.com and monster.com. So let's go to the next slide. So, and the most important thing is like what designation you will get in after doing this course. So you will get like IT analyst, and basically the designation is based upon the companies to companies. So from somewhere you will get IT analysis role, software engineer. If you are doing business intelligence, then you'll get BI consultant role, MIS analyst role. MIS is management information system. So you need to be a report developer or you need to create the reports. Then Oracle developer, Oracle analyst, programmer. There can be many designation, but these are all the starting point, and it depends on the companies to companies. Some companies will give you system engineers, so some company will give you Oracle developer, some company will give you analyst, and all so on. So it's like that. So let's move to next slide. So next slide is like what why people think in going for a new course. So because I mean there is a lot of they have lot of mental block in the mind, like what if I what if I will do this course, nothing will happen. So their approach is like quite negative. So this is like very important. You have to go and start your course with the right approach. This is a big pandemic. These three things is apart from corona, which we are facing day to day. Lot of last 2 years we are facing that. Apart from that, but corona is like somehow is a disease, but these things are not a disease. These things are like it is something filthy things in your mind which you have deposited over a period of time. So these things like ignorance or mediocre mindset or procrastination, these things are actually uh, they will prevent you from doing something good. They will like put a break on your success journey. They will put a break on your growth. So you have to avoid these things and move forward. And remember this, like suppose you are like suppose you need to go to your destination. You have something destination in your mind. Then what? Suppose someone is traveling in their destination with a speed of 10 kilometer per hour, and another person is traveling the same destination with a speed of 20 kilometer per hour. So my question is, who will reach that place first? Our answer is obviously someone people will tell the one who is traveling at a speed of 20 kilometers per hour. But this is not the answer. The answer is one who is traveling in the right direction. So for that direction, I am the mentor. You follow your mentor. You follow the task and assignment given by your mentor, who the mentor is already having from the IT industry. So he will guide you, he will mentor you, he will like take you to the next level. So just you have to blindly follow your mentor, and you can quickly succeed in your career path or in your goal or in your like destination, to get a job, to get a good salary, to get working into the new. It should be like you should must be excited that okay, I need to like I am learning a new thing. So is a lot of you have to be enthusiastic about the things, like okay, wow, I am learning new thing. I will get to know about the new thing. I will get to know about how the IT industry work. I will get to know how the manufacturing industry, how the IT processes, how the business processes is there, what is the flow of the business processes. So you need to have be enthusiastic about the things, and then you will follow your mentor and you will succeed. Then let's go to next slide. So for my approach is like a theme you have to be you will be doing your self development. So theme of the year will be like, first you do self development and learning, then whatever you are learning and execution, then you grow and scale your knowledge. So these are the different steps which you have to follow to grow in your career. First is to learn the skill, upgrade yourself, then do the execution of your learning whatever you have learned, then grow in your career and scale your knowledge, increase your knowledge day by day. And so that for any learning process, for that matter, is like 20% of the learning skill and 80% is your mindset. So unless you are like very strong with your mind, like I have to learn a new thing and I'll do this, and I'll be able to make it, and through this I'll able to make my career, through this I'll able to get in a multinational company, through this I'll be able to get opportunity to work on site in US, Canada, UK, Middle East, anywhere. So you have to be, your mindset should be like that. So you have to make your mindset ready for that. That is very important. So learning is important, plus yes, I can mentality should be there with you. So in any learning process, whether you learn this course or any other course, the important thing is there is some curve, learning curve, where we experience some joy and pain. So at the start, everyone is very enthusiastic, like, "Oh, okay, guys, I am learning new thing. I'll able to know many exciting things about it, many processes." But slowly, as it proceeds further, you'll feel the like, okay, oh no, this is very tough. I'll not be able to handle this. I suck. You'll say like this, and somehow, but somehow most of the guy quit at this point. But the important thing is to hold on to the, to take up the challenge, to take the challenge on the tough things, and then move on. See, remember, when you're learning anything and when you're putting all your effort, you are going to get the benefit. And finally, you have to move upward in the graph of joy in this figure. So that should be the strategy. There should be not be any strategy to give up the things. You have to continue with it. So you have to ready and accept the channel. So what my course is, it's around, revolves around the database. Database means how to store the data, how to access the data. So database, like Oracle is a database management system language. It's an RDBMS, relational database management system, where you can know how to access the data. So suppose some companies is their manufacturing company, is there everything it will maintain in the softwares. So everything, for everything there is like database is there. There are tables which is like entity, manufacturing unit, inventory, sales. For all those things there is some tables. In Oracle, tables is like collection of data where we stores rows and column, and it is all related. Like suppose this is a customer table, so all we have stored the customer information in this table. So similarly, this is one table. So similarly, there are many tables related with each other. Like this is customer and sales table, where there is a relational. This is a relational database management system where the relation is defined between the customer and sales. So it is linked. So in this way, there are many tables in a real life scenario, which all are linked together and which supports the database of the company or database of the organization which you are working. Be it a IT organization or manufacturing organization or any sales organization or a hospital or a bank or anything. So all supports all the, for all we need the support of database, for which we have to learn the Oracle, how to write the queries, how to write the report, how to write the program. Suppose a bank is writing a payroll system, so how to write, calculate the salary, HR, house rent, bonus of the employees. That all your program will write. So that all will be written in as a procedures or function in the background, and your front end will be calling that, and internally it will be executing that one. That I'll tell you detail. Uh, so this is just a definition of database. Database is an organized collection of data. It's a collection of tables, queries, report, views, and other objects. So it's such a way that it models the supports some of the system, like it is saying that like availability of rooms in hotels we can check through database. We can query and find out how many rooms are available in hotel and all. So telling about my experience is I'm like I have more than 17 years of experience, and I work with companies like Oracle, HP, Dubai Customs, Ministry of Education, Saudi Arabia, Herbalife, and my present company is also an American-based company, which is based out at Colorado, in Denver. Colorado is a state, and Denver is the city of USA. So my company is based out of that, and my and our office is operating from Bangalore. We have offices in Bangalore and Pune, so we are operating from there. And typically just like what we store in data, just for one example, like if someone let's see, if someone is booking a ticket, so he will be, for him all the information is stored, like first name, last name, age, booking ID, itinerary ID, and phone number. So if suppose someone has booked the ID and he is has some problem in like locating, then he will ask like uh, this customer support people that, okay, my last name is this, can you please search out and find the PNR number for me, or my phone number is this, can you check and see when is my flight and what is my PNR number. So the person sitting in that will fetch all this information from the database and will send you. Okay. Next is like suppose you are working in an IT company and your manager, like he will come and he will ask like, okay, I need to know what all sales happen in year 2015. So just for that, here I am showing you this example. So we have very less data, but remember, if we have a data like millions of record for through 2015, millions of sales for 2015, then the person need to write the query, and through query he will find out what what is the amount, how much sales happened in 2015. So this is how the process of like retrieving the data, storing the data, updating the data, deleting the data, creating the data, all is like uh, database management system. And the language, the query language, a structured query language, is a language which communicates with the database engine. So that database can understand that one and send the request, send output. So suppose your manager is asking like, can you send me the output of how many, what is the total gross booking amount for 2015. So the person sitting there as an analyst, he will write the query, and he will write the query in a SQL statement, and then he will the SQL compiler, the uh, Oracle compiler will understand that one, the SQL language, and it will return back the output, like this much is the gross total. So that is the way it works. This is just an example. There are many things, many functions, procedures, packages which supports a database. And you can be a good programmer, you can be like a good coder or a good report developer, who can be like all the courses which I'll be handling it will be starting from scratch. So if even if you don't have any knowledge of a database, you are going to be expert on this. That is my like target, and that is my aim, That is my USP. So I want you guys to learn and get into the IT industry. So that is why I have designed this course. So, and this is the like, I mean, the whatever data sales wise, we can see the data as a graph also, in the form of graph, in the form of bars, in the form of pie chart. Like who is the person here? We can see Ramanathan is a person who has spent highest on the orders. The same way it is a pie chart, he spent 30% of the total amount is spent on it. So similarly, like from which city the sale is maximum. So here based on data, the Chennai has made the maximum sale. So this all will be the part of the course where you'll be getting all the knowledge of extracting the data, creating the graphs, creating the bar and all the things, different types of graphs, and creating the procedures, functions, and business, creating the business logic for your company and all. So that's what. So I also, as a when I started, I got the benefit because I was the like early learner. I have invested on myself. And I learned Oracle, and quickly I got the job. And after getting job, the first I mean first flight which I went on was like direct London flight. So this is how is my journey. I have like more than 17 years of experience in IT industry. You can reach out to me if you want to change your life, if you want to upgrade yourself, if you want to make career in Oracle, then I am there to help you out, and you can reach me. You can call me at this number or you can email me. Thank you for your time. Thank you so much.